Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Fit to Fab. Today, we're diving into the world of breakfast, serving up some delicious and nutritious ideas to kickstart your day on the right note. So, grab your apron and let's get cooking. First up, we have the ever-popular Greek Yogurt Parfait. It's creamy, it's crunchy, and it's packed with protein to keep you satisfied until lunchtime. Simply layer your favorite low-fat Greek yogurt with some fresh berries, a sprinkle of nuts, and a drizzle of honey. It's a parfait fit for a fab start to your day. Scene script. Next on our breakfast agenda is the ever-popular Avocado Toast. Creamy avocado, tangy tomatoes, and a hint of balsamic glaze. Need I say more? This toast is not only delicious but also loaded with healthy fats and fiber to keep you fueled all morning long. Now, for all you protein lovers out there, we have the Egg White Omelette. It's light, fluffy, and customizable to suit your taste buds. Fill it with your favorite veggies, fold it over, and voila! A nutritious breakfast that's sure to satisfy. And for those busy mornings when you're on the go, we have the Smoothie Bowl. It's a refreshing and nourishing breakfast option that you can whip up in minutes. Blend, pour, and customize with your favorite toppings for a breakfast that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Well, there you have it. 4 fabulous breakfast ideas to start your day off right. Whether you prefer something sweet or savory, there's a breakfast here for everyone. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so fuel up and conquer your day with these nutritious recipes. Until next time,